So today's video, we're going to see how you can create a nice looking email signature for free with multiple clickable links and social media icons, and many features we'll discover along with this video. But before we dive in, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up to help with the algorithm. So I'm going to leave the link to this website in the description below, which is the one we're going to use to create our own email signature. First, let's take a look at the templates. The website offers two free templates, classic and horizontal. The pro templates are for paid memberships, so I'll go with the classic one. Now we'll start off by filling in our personal details. For the name, I'll type pawn hoster. So actually, I'm going to try to create the exact sample we saw in the intro of the video. For the fields we don't need, we can get rid of them. So I'll add my website URL and my business email address. Then let's upload our logo. Make sure the image is at least 100 pixels in width and height. Next, we'll add our social media profiles. So in my case, I'll add my Facebook page, Instagram, and my YouTube channel. The design part is also for paid users only, but I think the default theme looks pretty good though. Next, we'll add our signature from apps. There are many options you can choose to enhance your signature, but I'll select the styled sign-off option. You can use your name as a signature, draw your custom one, or you can select the sign-off option, which is the one we're going to be using. Once you finish, click on Add. Now, in order to add the signature to your Gmail account, first click on I'm done. Then you have to sign up with the Gmail account you want to add the signature to. Here, it's going to ask you to choose the plan you prefer, so I'll go with the free one. Then I'll select for myself. So as you can see, you can add your signature to any email service you want, so I'll go with Gmail and hit continue. Now our signature has been successfully assigned to this email address. Now click refresh your Gmail account. So if we try to send an email, you're going to find the signature is pre-assigned to your account. Now, if you want to know more about how to create a website and a business email address for free, then make sure not to miss these two videos that appear on your screen.